1.878 million starting bid para sa 3-bedroom townhouse sa General Trias. Kung naghahanap ka ng property na pwedeng tirahan or potential investment, baka ito na ang opportunity na hinihintay mo. This is a bank foreclosed townhouse inner lot located in Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite with 50 square meter lot area and 64 square meter floor area. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, plus provision for 1-car garage. Kaya bagay sa growing family or investors looking for an affordable property opportunity. Starting bidding price, 1,878,180 with a potential 30% to 50% below market value. Bakit worth it ito? For investors, a lower acquisition price may give you more room for potential returns, depending on the actual property condition and current market demand. You can explore rental income or future resale. So hindi lang ito basta bahay. It's a potential income generating asset subject to proper due diligence. 50,000 reservation, 10% down payment payable up to 4 months, then 90% bank home loan. Take note, as is where is and bank fees plus transfer of title are not included. Bidding is on July 27, 2026. Don't wait until the last minute. Prepare your requirements and check the property as early as possible. Free house tour assistance available. If you want the complete details and bidding requirements, comment Navarro 50 below. July 27 is coming fast. If this property fits your budget and investment goals, now is the time to take action.